Now we will learn how to frame negative sentence in past simple tense. So here the structure changes significantly and you have to be very careful about the structure of a negative tense or a negative structure, because there are many mistakes which are made while speaking any negative sentence. So if you look at the positive structure, subject पहले, उसके बाद verb का दूसरा form and then object. When we make sentences in negative, then of course subject will always come first and then additional did plus not. Didn't in the combined form, that will come additionally. तो subject के बाद didn't और उसके बाद verb का first form. This is very important, because here most of the mistakes happen. Instead of V1 or the first form, people many a times use the second form. So you have to be extra careful to ensure only the first form is used, and of course after that object will come. तो इस तरह से देखा कि नेगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर पॉजिटिव से पूरी तरह भिन्न है, अलग है, क्योंकि यहां पे एक एडिशनल डिडंट आ गया और वर्ब का पहला रूप, पहले वर्ब का दूसरा रूप था, लेकिन चूंकि यहां पे डिडंट आ गया इसीलिए वर्ब का पहला रूप ही आएगा and then followed by object. So this is very important, which you have to bear in your mind. And now we will try to convert these sentences into negative using this structure. And then we will see how it looks once it is converted into negative. हमारा पहला सेंटेंस है, उसने एक पत्र लिखा. इसका नेगेटिव होगा, उसने एक पत्र नहीं लिखा. So it will start with he and then didn't and then write a letter. So because of this didn't, this verb always remains in the first form. Similarly the second one, मैंने एक सवाल पूछा, मैंने एक सवाल नहीं पूछा. I didn't ask a question. Similarly, हम लोगों ने इंतजार नहीं किया. We didn't wait. समीर ने सब कुछ नहीं बताया. समीर didn't tell anything. यहां चूंकि ये पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है इसलिए सब कुछ आया, and here we have used negative, so here we have to write anything. Sameer didn't tell anything. So if you look at the structure, the positive and negative, I told, मैंने बताया, I didn't tell, मैंने नहीं बताया. तो यहां पे पॉजिटिव में वर्ब का दूसरा रूप आया, लेकिन यहां पे कभी भी वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही आएगा. So that is what you have to be careful about. Do not make mistake here, because many people make these mistakes.